I just want to make a quick video on how to add me as a user to your Google Analytics account. So just make sure you are logged in your Gmail to the correct Gmail account. So if you've got multiples, like for example, I link everything report related to my reports at tuckedinmarketing.com. So I had to make sure I was out of Connie at Tucked In Marketing and into my reports at Tucked In Marketing. Come over here and make sure you are highlighting the correct business or account in case you have multiples. Like for example, one company may have two separate properties, and so make sure to add to the appropriate one. So for example, if we go to this first one here, we'll highlight that one. Then I go down to admin, click on user management, and this is where you would add the plus sign and add users. And what I'd like for you to do is add my reports at Tucked In. So you can just title it Reports Tucked In. And the email is reports@tuckedinmarketing.com, TUCKDIN marketing.com. And if you can give me the permission to edit, collaborate, read and analyze, and manage users. And that's it. Once you do that, I get an invite and I'm able to access. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.